So let's make a searchable drop-down list, because whenever we're having a huge list like this, we have just a bunch of YouTube titles, there is something weird that goes on. Basically, at the bottom or top or anywhere, if all of these are connected, I could start typing fireside. You see, sometimes something comes up. This is fish welfare, but there is literally, if I do Command F, fireside, there it is, fireside. So like, sometimes just typing works. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I have to do Command F, fish. And if I want to find something inside here, like this Stefan Schubert, if I go Command F, Schubert, yeah, I can find them, but they're all over the place. And if I just went Schubert, see, there's nothing happening. But let's create a drop down here in A1, and we're going to get a searchable drop down, because all drop downs are searchable. Right click, we can create a drop down, apply to range A1. The criteria for the drop down is not going to be drop down, it's going to be drop down from a range. What is that range? It's going to be A4:A. It's going to be from the row of A4 all the way to the bottom. And we're going to click done. And so now we have a drop down. I want to style this a little differently, actually. I want to go, and now if we go over here, you can see drop down from range, and it has every row there. I'm going to go to advanced options, and I'm going to say, just give me an arrow. Done. So it's not a chip style. But now, if I just double click and do Schubert, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 available. There's one here, probably different spell. Schubert, Schuhkraft. Oh, that's the extra one there. Or fish, or fireside, or not. Fireside. There's a bunch of fireside chats. Very, very cool. And now we can just grab one of these. Let's say this one. If we want to display the URL here, we do VLOOKUP. This is a simple VLOOKUP. We're going to use this A1 as the search key. In our range is going to be A4 to A, because we don't want to search for it in A1. The index is going to be 2. Actually, we need to be A4:B. And is it sorted? I don't know, so I'll just put in false. And there is the URL for that video. If I change it, if I go, oh, I want a fireside chat. Oh, Pete Singer. There it is. There's the YouTube video. And if there's nothing here, we get an NA. We can just wrap this with IFNA and do comma, nothing. Or put a little text here. Type something. Maybe we'll put a little emoji. Okay, here's some MicroMasters program, and there's our YouTube video. Pretty cool to make a searchable drop down right here. And it's so searchable. It's really, really fun. Here, let's see everything with climate in the title. Everything there. Climate change there. Perfect. Thanks for watching. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.